Welcome. Today, we're diving into how you can take control of your LinkedIn privacy by managing who can discover you using your email address. This is an essential step for safeguarding your professional presence while ensuring the right people can connect with you. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Once it's loaded, look to the top left corner of your screen and tap on the Me icon. This will take you to your profile and account options. Next, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Within this menu, you'll see various categories to manage different aspects of your LinkedIn account. For today's task, tap on the Visibility section. Under Visibility, find and select Profile Discovery using email address. This is where you'll decide who can find your LinkedIn profile if they have access to your email address. Now you'll see several options for controlling this feature. You can choose to allow only your first-degree connections to discover you, or expand it to include first- and second-degree connections. Take a moment to think about which option aligns best with your networking goals and privacy preferences. Once you've made your selection, confirm the changes. That's it. You've successfully customized who can discover you by your email address on LinkedIn. By following these steps, you're ensuring that only the connections you trust have access to your profile through this method. It's a small but impactful way to maintain control over your online presence while still fostering meaningful professional relationships. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to explore other privacy settings on LinkedIn to further tailor your experience. See you next time.